To Somalia now, where the country's national theatre is getting a makeover. After nearly a decade of neglect, Nigeria's candidates woo voters with their sense of fashion.
Somalia's National Theatre was known for various theme performances taking place at its stage. However, the 1991 conflict in the Horn of Africa nation reduced its buildings to a militia base, forcing it to shut down. After nearly a decade lying in ruins, the theater prepares to reopen later this year. For many civilians, this theater's reopening is a small sign of progress.
The roof and the chairs have been ordered from abroad, and we hope that the construction will complete in the next 3 months. The first concert to be staged at the theater is ready, and it's called Caretaker Government. It will not just be a concert to be held here. We hope that the theater will also be a place to provide wisdom and entertainment, and hopefully it will also regain its reputation.
Government employees are also volunteering to build a heritage center.
This is a big achievement. It shows that our country is ready for reconstruction. Through this operation, which was dubbed as Operation Volunteer to Reconstruct Your Country, we have shown what we are capable of. We can bring beauty back to our country and rebuild our country.
The theater is expected to reopen within the next 3 months. For now, it offers base for Somali soldiers guarding the presidential palace. Security is one of the major issues that locals expect will be addressed ahead of the reopening.
Security at the theater will be assured, just like in any other building in Mogadishu. God willing, we shall secure the theater. We are not particularly worried about security at the theater. It will be secured, just like many other places where people meet.
Somalia has a rich history of music and poetry. The theater reopening hopes to preserve the country's traditions while promoting peace. Brian Toussaint, CGTN.